Hej och välkommen till Gamingtech. Hur har ni det? Just det, idag så kommer jag visa er Svive Hydra Streaming Kit. Det är ett kit från Svive. Syftet är att ni ska börja streama eller för folk som vill uppgradera sitt mikrofon på ett vettigt pris. Prismässigt så har jag sett lägsta 275 spänn upp till 990. Om ni kan hitta ett vettigt pris för det så är det ett mikrofon jag absolut rekommenderar. Vi börjar först med unboxing-delen. Efter jag har testat mikrofonen så kommer jag göra ett jämförelse med mitt eget Rode-mikrofon. Så här ser paketet inuti. Windshield vi har. Popfilter vi har. Väldigt tjock är den. Funkar den? Ja, jag har testat det. Det gör en skillnad, absolut. Ni ska ha popfiltern framför mikrofonen. Du ska alltså prata i det. Själva shockwave mount-delen. Om ni placerar mikrofonen inuti, det finns en liten skum inuti, instruktionsdelen, hur ni genomför installationen och hur ni monterar själva mikrofonen. USB-kabel 2.0, fästet för bordet. Inga konstigheter här. Jag kommer demonstrera processen också, hur jag monterar ihop det. Väldigt enkelt. Tidigare så har jag visat den här mikrofonarmen också. Och själva mikrofondelen. Väger en hel del. Känns bra kvalitetmässigt. Så där ja. Själva inspelningstestet på engelska också, eftersom jag har lagt flera paneler i det här kontoret. Därför vill jag inte påverka ljudet på den här svenska varianten av videon. Om ni vill se något extra så kan jag alltid spela ett nytt ljud med den här mikrofonen.
4.
Fästet på bordet på det här viset. Det finns en liten skumdel också så ni inte skadar själva bordet. För 275 spänn detta är ingenting alls. Och ljudet är verkligen imponerande. För sitt pris så gör det en suverän jobb. Jag är otroligt imponerad av detta kittet från Svive. Jag har deras tangentbord också som jag kommer testa i framtiden. Ni ville se lite budget sortiment så det har jag just ordnat för er. Så skruvar ni fast själva shockwave mount-delen också. Några minuters jobb helt enkelt. Just det, hur kopplar ni mikrofonen med själva medföljande USB-kabeln? Det är alltså plug and play här.
Padding inside there. Okay, this should stay.
Ni kan alltid justera inställningarna hos Windows eller med tredjepartsprogram. Men det har jag inte gjort för att visa hur mikrofonen låter exakt. På det viset så installerar vi mikrofonen alltså. Ni ska ha Svive-logot framför er. Det är alltså cardioid, mikrofon och USB-kabeldelen. Sådär ja. Nu kommer jag fästa popfilterdelen också. Det går att böja exakt hur ni vill ha. Väldigt smidigt. Funkar. Gör vad den ska. Jag gillar produkten i alla fall. För sitt pris så är den nästan gratis.
So you have this. Wherever this goes, stays like this.
Fundera att ge bort den här kitten till någon som behöver det också. Så ni kan gärna skriva på Discord till mig. Här har jag lagt mitt laptop. Det ska föreställa att vi spelar in någon slags ljud här. Här går jag igenom instruktionsdelen. Allting är så himla tydligt så det går inte att göra något fel. Ni kan ställa mikrofonen exakt ni vill. Och nu så kommer ni ha mitt test. Om ni inte prenumererat på kanalen, gör det gärna. Tack för er stöd. Our free voice recorder allows you to record your voice within 5 minutes via your microphone and save it as an MP3 file. It is operated in 3 simple steps. This test was done with the Svive Hydra streaming kit. I'm fairly distant from the microphone. On the next test, I'm gonna get super close. Our free online voice recorder allows you to record your voice within 5 minutes via your microphone and save it as an MP3 file. It is operated in 3 simple steps. Here I was extremely close with the microphone, haven't done any settings, just plugged in the USB cable. This is exactly what you're hearing through the voice recorder. In this test I removed the pop filter and the windshield also. So we're gonna read the same sentence from the beginning to see how it sounds, if there's any difference. Our free online voice recorder allows you to record your voice within 5 minutes via your microphone and save it as an MP3 file. It is operated in 3 simple steps. Now we're gonna apply the same logic, no pop filter, no windshield. I'm gonna be super close to the microphone so we can hear the difference. Our free online voice recorder allows you to record your voice within 5 minutes via your microphone and save it as an MP3 file. It is operated in 3 simple steps. Now we're gonna do the same test with my Rode microphone. I have my custom settings here, so we'll read the same sentence and see how it sounds. We're not using any windshield from Svive or pop filter. I'm just using Rode's own stuff. Our free online voice recorder allows you to record your voice within 5 minutes via your microphone and save it as an MP3 file. It is operated in 3 simple steps. Basically, this Rode has this windshield only. Now I'm gonna put the pop filter on front as well, and I will be reading same sentence. And based on this little recording that I done for you guys, you can judge from my voice. Our free online voice recorder allows you to record your voice within 5 minutes via your microphone and save it as an MP3 file. It is operated in 3 simple steps. Okay, we are recording. Let's go. Let's get our weapons. Here we go. So what was this weapon called? AK. Probably not one of the weapons that are overpowered currently. Goodbye.
Contact. American forces spotted.
Is this guy in my squad is gonna spawn? By the way, there's gonna be background noise from the graphic card. Obviously, I can use noise reduction to remove it, but this is the case with this graphic card. It is extremely loud. And obviously I'm running it on 100%, so if I put it on like 70%, you won't be able to hear it. But then again, the room will get toasty and it bothers me tremendous amount. Okay, we got somebody coming. Oh, that's my teammate. What's up, bro? Do you guys see his shoes are purple? Actually, I never seen that skin. Gonna get shot looking at people like this. There's a lot of running in this mode. Is it good? I don't think so. I do it for the sake of the video so you guys can see how is it to game and do recording with this microphone. Almost got killed there. They're definitely gonna come for me though. Actually, let's loot their item. Let's loot their ammo. So I get an armor. I hear him. Why I can't deploy that? Oof, I lost the mouse connection. That was my kill. Anyhow,
Troops are attacking Charlie 1.
let's reload. We're low on ammo also.
We have reduced hostile strength by a quarter.
Grenade out!
Placing cover.
Nice. Oh, you're a lifesaver. So they're American, so B1. Do you see like 3 kills? You run. I get it, it's meant to be tactical. Does it feel like? Not really. Woo! Is he looking? Is he looking? Let me see if I can flank him.
You've left the engagement area.
That's not gonna hit from there. I see them. Did they see me? Need that ammo. Need that ammo. Thank you.
Friendly forces targeting Alpha 1.
We gotta reload. I hear them coming.
We're halfway to victory.
Let's do
Continue to fight.
silencer on this one also. Thank you, bro. Let's stop. Oh, I hate this new problem with this mouse. Do you see I lost connection there?
Not moving.
Asus ROG Keris has some kind of a problem with the input. I end up losing connection and it does this beep beep sound and I can't aim for like 2 seconds.
Attacking Alpha 1.
Oh! Ah! Nice. Are you gonna revive him? I'm not gonna let you do that. Nice guys, nice.
Hostile spotted at Bravo 1.
That should explode. Look again. Nope. This mouse is gonna be gone. I don't like it. Goodbye. I like the shape of this mouse, but losing connection like that. Did the dust affect it? I don't know. Look again. Why am I...
Casualties.
Again. It's connection. Lost connection fully this time. I cannot control my... Like, what the hell? Dude. This is messed up. I can't control my mouse now. Oh my goodness. I need to find that cable. Which one is it? This is a trash. Now I can, and now we lost the base. What's happening, man? What is wrong with this mouse? For microphone review, we ended up being in what is it called? Me ranting about this mouse, and I made a review saying I love it. I love the shape though, not the disconnecting part, to be honest. Oh, that's not good. There could be a sniper here. Okay,
I have a man down.
we do have.
You're no use out there.
I'll heal here. Come on, let me jump. Don't let me die. Yes. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. If you liked the video, give a big like. If you disliked the video, dislike, and comment below why you disliked it also. Let's go.